Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log in Dropbox. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to a web browser of your choice. And now what you have to do is simply go to a website that is dropbox.com. Simply go to dropbox.com and you will see the home page like this. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the top right corner of the screen, just let it load. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login option. Simply tap on login. You can either continue with your Google account or your Apple account, or you can simply type your email address at this blank. Now, after typing your email address at this blank, all you have to do is simply tap on continue and then it will ask you your password. Then after typing your password, you simply have to tap on login and you will be logged into your Dropbox account. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.